In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete thread history. If you've been exploring lots of ideas in Perplexity AI and want to tidy things up, you have two clear options: remove individual threads you no longer need, or clear everything at once. I'll show you both approaches so you can choose what fits your workflow. Start by opening Perplexity AI and looking to the left sidebar. There you'll see a section labeled Library. This is where all of your past threads are organized. Click Library to view your conversation history. Think of it as your archive of questions, drafts, and research paths. Handy, but it can get crowded over time. If you want to delete just one thread, find it in the list and look for the three-dot menu icon next to that thread. Click the three dots to open the options for that specific conversation. Choose Delete. If you're asked to confirm, accept the prompt, and that thread will be removed from your library. This method is great when you only want to clean up a few outdated or duplicate threads while keeping the rest of your work intact. You can repeat this for any other individual threads you want to remove, one by one, without affecting the rest of your history. If your goal is a fresh start, you can clear everything in one move. While you're still in the library view, look to the top right for the Delete All Threads option. Click it to remove the entire thread history from your library. You may see a confirmation pop up. Review the message carefully, then confirm to proceed. This is the fastest way to declutter if you're resetting your workspace or wrapping up a project and no longer need past conversations. A few quick tips before you finalize your cleanup. Take a moment to scan your library and make sure there's nothing you'll want to reference later. If a thread contains valuable prompts, links, or summaries you might need, consider saving that information elsewhere before you delete. Once you clear your library or remove a specific thread, it won't be visible in your history anymore. That's all there is to it. Open the library from the left sidebar, use the three-dot menu to delete individual threads, or choose Delete All Threads in the top right to clear everything. With these two options, you can keep your Perplexity AI workspace organized and focused